Hello everyone, we're going to look at how you can save money with LangChain, and you may have seen some examples online where using LangChain with OpenAI without specifying a model or anything. So that is an example that you'll find a REPL of online. I want to show you my version. So my version, let's just run it with what we've just seen. So OpenAI, temperature 0, we're going to run this and we're going to work on a problem where we use a tool with an agent and we're going to ask it to calculate the number of apples left after eating 2, getting 4, and then we're going to ask it for the percentage, how many we'll have if we have 10% of the original number left. And I'm asking it to show me the tokens, so tokens used, prompt tokens. Cost for that one request or that one procedure was 3 cents. $0.03. Okay, so if we come back up here, so that's what we saw in the example. OpenAI. If we change that, and we can change it to be ChatOpenAI, we'll specify GPT 3.5 Turbo 0613 as of mid-July 2023. So from LangChain.chat models, import ChatOpenAI. So let's run this instead. So run, same problem. We're going to be using the math chain. Make it aware of some other tools if it needs them. We'll run the agent. Then we're going to run query 1, which was the apples problem. And it's redoing it. Entering new chain. It should get the same answer. Final answer 3. So if you've got, what was the question? Calculate total number of apples. So you've got 28 apples. You eat 2, you get given 4. And then what's 10% of that? So 3, yeah. And there's the price, 0.01. So that's 30 times less, or rather, the method that you see here costs 30 times more. So that's 0.1 of a cent compared to 3 cents. So if you've watched this video all the way through, thank you. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, and all that. And yeah, I've just saved you 30 times your money. So yeah, thumbs up.